Hey besties, welcome back again to my channel. This video is actually a compilation video of the embosser technique on whipped cream. You can see how beautiful it looks. The thought of it came to my mind. I decided to give it a try and it worked. If you want to see how I achieved these designs, then keep watching. It's so beautiful and you should give it a try too. For this design, I used the cobblestone embosser. It's that popular fondant embosser that we use. You can see me use it here. And for you to get this design, you do not need to freeze your cake. You don't need to chill your cakes. As long as your whipped cream is stable and firm as at the time you want to emboss, it's totally fine. But if your whipped cream is not stable, it's not firm, then you can pop it into the fridge for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, no more than 5 minutes before you emboss. You can see how beautiful this design turned out. Wouldn't you like to try it out? So for this design, I used this embosser. I don't know the name, but you can see what it looks like. I decided to change the design. You can use different types of embossers, but what I found is that for some embossers, you might need to chill your cakes. But for these embossers I showed in these videos, you really don't need to chill your cakes as long as you have a stable whipped cream frosting, okay? You would notice that I'm not digging deep into the cake. All you need to do is touch the cake with the middle part of your embosser. If you are holding your embosser this way, you just want to touch the cake with the middle part. Look at the beautiful outcome of this particular design. What do you think about it? Gorgeous, I know, right? So for this one, I also used the cobblestone embosser, but I decided to make another video to show you how I was able to complete the embossing on the whole cake. So in case you have a cake that is tall, you can complete the embosser, you can complete the design. You can see how beautiful it turned out. You really need to try your hands on this embossing. Beautiful, it's fresh, it's different. This is the other one design I made. You can see I also used the embosser. I didn't have to chill my cakes because my frosting was stable. If you don't have a good frosting, whipped cream frosting, or a stable whipped cream frosting, you can reach out to me to sign up for my online class at cakesbyife on Instagram. At cakesbyife on Instagram. And after embossing this cake, I decided to, decorate it. You can see how beautiful it looks. Effortless. It's very easy. Like whenever I have any order right now and I don't want to do too much, I just get my embossers out. I have so many of it and I just emboss the cakes. So the possibilities are endless with your embossers. You can use basically anything you like to create patterns, beautiful patterns on your whipped cream cakes. If you're still watching up till this point, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. This embossing on whipped cream cakes has since gone viral and has become a trend, okay? So you need to up on this trend. You can feel free to do any design of your choice. If you go on my Instagram page, you'll see the designs I've done there. A whole lot of bakers also created beautiful designs that were mind-blowing. I reposted them on my stories, and trust me, it's just beautiful to see something that you thought of, okay? See it come to life, and also see other people who find it interesting to try it out. I mean, it's just mind-blowing, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. So this is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed watching, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.